Hi, welcome to all of you for another session. Concept of goal making, concept of target making, the formulas from our student life. Now, if target in our life, in the goal in our life, they give the direction in our life. We know that if there is no goal, if there is no direction, if there is no any target in our life, there is no meaning of life. A lot of persons, a lot of students running here and there. What happened? Went it up whenever. A lot of students doing hard working. They are doing hard working, but not doing a smart work. So what happened? At the end of doesn't it reach up nowhere. So what will we do? Preparing any exams, preparing any classes, preparing any half-yearly exams, annual exams. It is basically, it is mostly required and important for every student to note all the basic concept and all the basic important topic on a separate copy. Means that firstly you can note down all the important chapters and important formulas and write again and again and practice more and more on the copies, then getting a good marks in any other exams. So this video is really helpful for you to understand the important topics and important formulas that is related to your exams, that is maintained and that is correlated to your half yearly exams. So let's start our this session. Let's start our this video. So understand the important chapters related to your class 8 and mathematics subjects. So by the help of this video, you can observe that, you can notice that which chapters are main importance and what are our procedures and what are our pattern and what will be the actual marks. So our this exam will divided into two portions. First one is subjective exams and second one is multiple choice questions. So let's see here how can we understand the our main topics. Okay, so let's start our this session that is basically correlated our. Okay, so this exam will be divided into two portions. So firstly understand the total numbers of chapter asking in your half yearly exams are 7. Okay, remember that, note down on your copy, total chapters asking in your half yearly exams are only 7. Only 7 subjective questions and multiple choice questions. Total marks are 40 marks. Okay, again mention here, mention out that total marks are 40, means that subjective pattern and objective pattern both contain, means both provide us to 20 marks. Okay, what is the meaning of this one? Means that each question 1 marks for a good answer. Further proceed to what is the meaning of subjective. Subjective means that contain, fill in the blanks. It may be a true or false. In other words, we can say that match the column. Either you can say that one words answer. That are basically a subjective papers. Move to second pattern, that is objective. All the students are well familiar with the multiple choice questions. But remember, it contain also 20 questions and 20 marks. So be ready and be careful and be focused on your half yearly exams. If you really want to good marks in your exams, start from today, start from now. Note down all the important top chapters, important your pattern, and make a timetable for your exams and make a good habit to practice more and more at the end up to your exams. So note down your list of chapters for exams, that your total numbers of chapter is mentioned here 7. Rational number, linear equation in one variable, understanding quadrilateral, square and square root, cube and cube root, comparing quantities, algebraic and expression and identities. The main purpose of this video is that, okay, everyone making a goal, a target, a task, a aim for your better life. Now, if you're not making a goal, after some years, it is certain that trouble from any problems. So if you want to making your life in good, best, well, so start from today now for preparing, for practice more and more, do hard work. It is not possible to gaining good marks without doing hard work. No one getting good marks without revising again and again your all these chapters. Thanks for watching this video. If this video is really helpful for you, are you gaining good knowledge from this video? So you can share this video your friend. So by the help of this video, he or she may be also gaining some things that is very important for everyone. Once again, thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind.